Hey everyone, OnePlus is coming out with a new model of its OnePlus 6T. It's a collaboration with McLaren, hence the McLaren box here and the salute to speed sort of theme that you have going on, as well as the orange and black colors. So it's the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition, has a couple of nifty features, so definitely worth looking at. And let's do an unboxing. So it's a nice box. You have the orange and black McLaren theme. You can see salute to speed. So put that over there. There's a nice little carbon fiber pattern here. Fast and smooth as OnePlus's sort of logo. And this first thing that you get is this book dedicating the collaboration between OnePlus and McLaren. Now this isn't their first, this isn't going to be the only partnership between the two companies. There's going to be more McLaren partnerships throughout the however long they continue their collaboration. Dedicated to those constant pursuit of speed. And you can just see sort of a history going through this entire thing. Just gonna go flip through most of these pages, and you can pause if you want to read more on each one. Now here's a little more about the features of this OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition. You can see it's inspired by F1, so you have that color McLaren Papaya Orange and carbon fiber speed design. There's also this actual cool feature called Warp Charge 30, so it's an evolution of the dash charge feature that's been available on OnePlus phones. So Warp Charge 30, according to OnePlus, should deliver a day's worth of power in 20 minutes, or specifically 3,700 milliamp hour to 50% capacity in 20 minutes. So there's a 37 milliamp hour battery. You should be able to get about 50% in just charging it with 20 minutes. And they're using this new design for the charging cable, the charger, and the phone battery design to deliver that in a safe manner. So you're getting really fast charging, which is sort of the theme of fast with McLaren. You're also getting 10 gigs of RAM. Whether that much RAM is necessary is another question, but that's how much RAM you're getting, so it certainly is future-proofing this phone a little bit more. And the rest is mostly similar features of the standard OnePlus 6T. And I believe, there we go, that's the McLaren Edition OnePlus 6T. Let's first take that out. Move this to the side. You can see the back here, you get that orange papaya color around the edges. It's very faint, kind of a little amber-esque as well. Over on the front, it looks more or less the same to the standard OnePlus 6T. And yep, you still get the same fingerprint sensor right there in the middle. And let's peel this off. And I'll take that one off later, but it says McLaren logos right there, so you get a nice little branding there. And yeah, really look at that color difference towards the edges. It really looks nice. It's a nice little touch, and this is obviously the phone for anyone who loves all things McLaren. But other than that, the design isn't too different. You do have a little weave pattern, the carbon fiber weave pattern shimmering across the entire glass back over here. So you can sort of see the differences between the two. Definitely a lot more shinier than this matte standard OnePlus 6T. And you can really get the color to shine if you shine it in the light. So let's put that over on the side for a second. What else do you get in the box? You get a case, and it also has this McLaren branding, that weave pattern again. It's a soft plastic case, I believe. And a little note from Pete Lau, CEO of OnePlus. And what else you get is a little plastic cardboard. Got a little nice glass thing here that says salute to speed, McLaren MC L33 edition carbon fiber, 2018, handcrafted in England. And there's a nice little thing to just collaborate or commemorate this occasion. And I believe this is just warranty information and that kind of information, yet that you get standard in the box, along with that SIM card pin. And this is the really cool Papaya Orange Papaya charging cable that's included in the box, and it has these clips as well to help you with your cable management, and it's nice braided, so it's durable and strong. And this is what helps you get that much faster Warp Charge 30 speed, so you can get a day's worth of power in just 20 minutes. So there's continuing that little color theme again, including here with the little inside area of this USB-A port. Also more McLaren branding, OnePlus branding over here. And that is the Warp Charge 30 block. And of course, since the OnePlus 6T doesn't have a headphone jack, you also get a really nice themed adapter right here for your 3.5mm headphone jacks. So that's about all you get in the McLaren OnePlus 6T edition. So this edition goes on sale on December 13th. There is a limited amount available, so as soon as they sort of stop selling or run out of those, then you probably won't be able to get this edition again. And it goes for sale for $700, $699 to be specific, which is about $150 more than the base OnePlus 6T price tag. You're also getting more storage in this version as well. So a couple of nice reasons to buy this one over the standard one, and it's still not as expensive as, say, a Galaxy S9 or Google Pixel 3, for example. So if you're eyeing a OnePlus 6T and you really love McLaren, this is the phone you'll want to buy.